Creating a survey in SurveyMonkey is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, log into your SurveyMonkey account and click on the Create Survey button located at the top right corner of the home screen. This will provide 6 different options for creating a survey, ranging from starting from scratch to using a template or building with AI. For those who want to customize their survey, starting from scratch or using the Build with AI option are popular choices. The Build with AI option involves answering a series of questions, which the AI will use to generate a survey tailored to your needs. When using the Build with AI option, you will be prompted to provide some information about the survey you want to create. This can include the type of survey, the topic, and the audience. The more specific you are, the better the AI will be able to tailor the survey to your needs. Once you have provided the necessary information, the AI will generate a survey with relevant questions. You can then review and customize the survey as needed, adding or removing questions, and editing the format and design. After customizing the survey, you can preview it to ensure it meets your needs. If you're satisfied with the survey, you can then choose how you want to collect responses. This can include sharing the survey link via email or social media, or embedding it on your website. SurveyMonkey also offers an audience option, where you can pay to have your survey completed by their users. Once you have shared your survey, you can track the responses and analyze the data to gain valuable insights into your customers' thoughts and opinions. Overall, creating a survey in SurveyMonkey is a relatively simple process that can be completed in a few steps. By using the Build with AI option and customizing the survey to your needs, you can create an effective survey that helps you gather the information you need to make informed business decisions.